if you look at our community, most of us came in to make money. None of us had money. Like if we had a lot of money, we wouldn't have started a business.
Hi, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Freedom Formula. Today, we're going to answer some frequently asked questions, starting with I want to do the business, but I don't have any money.
Okay. So, if you want to do the business, I don't think there's any business which you can start without investment, right? So there should be some investment. Any business will take some money to start. That's what I think. What do you feel?
Exactly. Yeah. So you need money. I mean, you need to have leverage, right? So you need to have money to earn more money.
Yeah.
So that's yeah. I don't see any
Some
other way.
people think it's a job, so they think they're going to get money. This is not a
so
job.
that's
This is
how
a
jobs
business.
work. You don't have to
Exactly.
invest your money to start anything, but you'll be
That's right.
investing your time there,
Exactly.
right?
Yes.
So you'll be investing your time, and
Yeah.
you're trading your time for money there. But here it's not
Exactly.
like that. You
No.
you put in your money and you earn money back.
Yes.
Right? That's how.
That's right.
And it go there. The time also should be invested, but not for a long time, is what I said. Like after some years, after a few years, you can actually get passive income out of it and
Right.
things like that. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
with your job, you're just investing time and you're getting money out of it.
Right.
But why do we do the job? Why do you earn? To spend time with our family, right?
Exactly, to spend time with our family, to have a quality lifestyle, to travel,
Yeah.
to pursue your hobbies, to buy things you love.
That's exactly right.
So, I didn't have money. I wanted to do this business really badly. I didn't have the money. And I had to muster a lot of courage. And I did muster it. And I asked. And I got the money.
And I think if you look at our community, most of us came in to make money. None of us had money. Like if we had a lot of money, we wouldn't have started a business.
Exactly.
That's right.
Right?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
we all started because we wanted to earn.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Right?
Exactly.
So
Yeah.
you'll have to make it happen, is what I feel. So
That's
if
right,
you
that's right.
keep saying you don't have the money, you'll not have money. You've been working. So there are people who come to me asking more about the business, and they've been working for like 15 years, 20 years now, and they don't have the money to invest on a business.
Okay.
And we are not talking about like there are businesses which will take like $50,000, $100,000 or more, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And in our business, there's nothing like that. It was like less than one tenth of that.
That's right. That's
And
right.
Yeah.
very less if you ask. So
Exactly.
if people don't have that money to invest, even after working for 20 years,
Yeah.
they should really think about it. Like,
Exactly.
what are you actually doing with your
Seriously.
life?
That's right.
Right?
That's right.
Absolutely.
And nowadays you
seriously.
have line of credits that you can get from banks.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that you can. There are so many other options also if you don't have ready cash right now, right? You
Correct.
can try out all those options. So many people in our business are starting that way, right?
Yeah.
And people with crushing credit card debt,
Yes.
they started it.
Yes.
Crushing,
And like within a few
exactly.
months, they were able to pay that off. So it's
Yeah.
incredible.
And if they thought that no, I have $100,000 in credit already, I can't start this business, they would still be doing the same thing. Like they wouldn't be able to pay it off anyway, right?
Yeah.
If you're working on a job, and if you have that debt already,
Yep.
how are you planning to pay it back? You have to do something different from what you're
Exactly.
already doing.
Yeah.
Absolutely. People don't understand the necessity of multi-stream income.
Yes.
People don't understand, and it is a necessity today.
Yeah. And also when it comes to multiple stream of income, people think that they have to go to another job. So second job, third
Oh,
job.
yeah.
Yeah.
Lot
So
of people do
that
that.
they think that okay, I have
true.
3 jobs now,
Yeah.
3
Yeah.
multiple income streams, but that's not how it's done. Right?
Moonlighting.
Yeah.
Moonlighting.
Yeah.
And that's also there, but again, it doesn't mean that you have to go do another job. Again,
Exactly.
you're giving more of your time for that.
Trading time again. Still, you're
Yeah.
trading time in return for money, right?
Yeah.
And that's what we need to get out of.
Out of
We
yes.
need to. People don't understand that. They sell their whole life trading time, and then all they've done is pay bills. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sad
So
but true.
if you're looking to change your situation, starting a business would be the best option for you.
Yes.
And I'm sure like all of us, like anybody here, right? Like all of us are not able to start a business because of the investment that goes in. But you have to start small. Like we say in most of our videos, you have to start small. Don't invest $100,000 if you don't have it, but start small. You can invest $2,000 or up to $10,000 or something like that, right? Or even lesser than that. So start something where you can start with a very lesser investment if you don't have that confidence yet. So start something, but don't have the mindset that I can't invest any money, I want free money. No, that
Absolutely.
won't work. So either you have to give your time for money or you have to give your money for money. So money for money would be the best option, because you want to make money because you want that time. You can't trade your time for money forever.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So yeah, thank you, and we'll come up with another topic and maybe another frequently asked question to answer.
See you
Thank
next time. Bye.